Maintenance works by the Mahaika-Maikoni-Abari Agricultural Development Authority are being stymied due to poor rate collections. Here are the details.
MMA's general manager responsible for the administration of West Berbice State Lands, Aubrey Charles, said that the continued non-payment of rates by leases has caused curtailing of services provided for farmers and others over the past year.
What has happened during last year and to some extent this year, we have to cut back on the work, the maintenance work that we were carrying out in the 3 areas, mainly because the collection, the rates collection from farmers did not match the operational costs or the maintenance costs to do so.
Charles said the income from rates collected are way below that which is required to execute recurrent works. This, he said, can have a long-term negative effect on the services being provided.
We had to pay contractors to the tune of $14 million for each cleaning period, and that cleaning period is 6 weeks. We had to pay our contractors $14 million in total. Now, 3 cleaning period gives you $42 million, but the charges paid by farmers amounted to $20-something million.
According to Charles, the matter was discussed at the board level, and the decision was made that only the primary drainage and irrigation network will be maintained. He added that as funds become available, the secondary D&I network will be attended to, with attention given to areas where farmers are making payments. For InfoHub, Alexis Rodney.